Hey, yeah, I'm feeling pretty hungry. This is how to do. This is how to make breakfast. This is what they call a cleansed palate. Precise inputs makes for a good tender egg. That's what we're making. That's it. The perfect one. Tell by the spots on there. On there. Tell by the spots it was freshly cooked. Not so good. Leeches sometimes can get in there. Butter, it's time for it to flavor. Mix it up to make it nice and nice. Now it's for the prize finale. Got enough to feed a whole family. And even distribution of the eggs is the key to a vital, nutritious meal. Hey! Where you put my chef's tool? I just found it. When it's brown, it means it's adding all the flavored ingredients. So once you do this part, you can get ready for the final step. Mama's eggs are taking a sleepover in the fridge. What do you think? Think that's good? Make sure you do it over the trash can in case you spill it up. Now we're done with the first step. You got your base for a nice little thing that I like to call A breakfast sundae. Speaking of this, it takes a lot of strength to the mind to get the right scoop. Thinking of a Karate Kid movie. Stay focused. It's okay. It's only gonna be for a second. And you've been to the swimming pool before. You know how it feels that the ice is cold when you're having a glass of lemonade in the morning, so it's alright. And once you get the final wash, we're ready to get a fork and eat that shit up. How's it going? Hey, I made this for you. It's for you. It'll taste real nice.
Aww.
Made it special from my heart. It's okay to use your hands sometimes for it.
Every day is part of a healthy snack. You know what they say? Breakfast a day keeps the doctor away.